Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the last session of Unit 5, Session 4, Green Economy and Green Skill. In the earlier session of this unit, you have read how the environment is crucial for us and how important it is for us. So, every action of us is interrelated and impact all aspects of our life, however small or however big it. Economy, government, people, everything is related to the environment. So, we are going to talk about in this session the green economy and the skill required for the green economic, that is green skill. First is the green economy. What do you mean by the green economy? A green economy is an economic system that is compatible with the natural environment. Or a green economy is one of the result imposed human well-being and social equality while significantly reducing the environmental risks and ecological system. The green economy captured the three dimensions of sustainable development. First is the environment, second is the social, and third is the economic. The environmental principle of green economic is the protecting biodiversity and ecosystem, sustaining natural assets and capital. In social, we consider the ensuring well-being of people while giving them social protection and access to essential services, or ensuring poverty reduction or increased social inclusion. Next is the economic. It is the most important concept. It integrates economic development and growth model and creating employment for the green jobs. Element of green economic, the main element considered in the green economy, first is the generation and use of renewable energy, second is the energy efficiency, third is the waste minimization and management. First point, generation and use of renewable energy. It refers to any source of usable and renewable energy instead of fossil fuel. Energy efficient, green building, green industry, green transport, land management. It seeks to adopt mean and more efficient technology that use less energy to provide the same level of energy, such as green transports mean efficient fuel use while causing less harm to the environment. We use the green transport to decrease the decrease the quantity of fossil fuels and increase the environmental resources. We use the green transport means efficient fuel uses while causing less harm to the environment. Next 4.3 topic is green skill. Green skill are the skills required along with the values, attitude and required knowledge to create green economic. Green skills required, the green economic. First point is the green skill required for managing resource efficiently. This is the important, for managing resource efficiently. All the business needs generic or light green skill for using and managing all type of resources. So in this skill, green skill are required to build resource efficient business model and taking action to maximize resource efficiency and reduce the resource waste in production. Next is the green skill required for low carbon footprints. This is the most important, low carbon footprints. Low carbon footprints is essential for the planet. Industry are now turning low carbon industry. Low carbon industry focus on low carbon generation even with the high energy requirement. In this, the training or providing knowledge for the nuclear and renewable energy is required. Energy efficiency measures at a household and a business premises level. And last third point is the green skill required climate resilience. Business require the capacity to adapt to change in climate. The necessary green skill required designing and adopting technology, products and process to improve climate resilience. Next topic is the 4.4 green jobs. A green jobs refer to the job that is environmentally friendly. In other words, any traditional job or work when executed in a way that it supports environment is known as green jobs. Every sector these days have green jobs such as designing energy, efficient product for all the sector, producing environment friendly goods and services, education and spreading awareness about this is very more important at this time. The some example of green jobs are environmental engineer, engineer auditor, urban religion planner, and conservation scientist. The different type of green careers are in the figure show outdoor and field based jobs, example wildlife prevention. Traditional green jobs with green alternative, example auto manufacturing, e-auto. The auto based on the batteries. Renewable energy jobs, example wind turbine technology. This is the figure indicating the different jobs available in the field of green jobs. Now the session 4 is completed. Do the checkpoints of this session. Dear students, it is informed that unit 5 is also completed. Tomorrow we will start the revision.